Found that old box up in the attic, dust on the lid, memories stack. Polaroids curl up at the ends, me and you and a few old friends. That summer sun that broke down Ford, hearts wide open, the world was ours. Now those smiles are ghosts in my head. Time don't listen, it don't give a damn. Faded photographs holding what we had, moments we can't get back, good or bad. We were wild, young and free, now it's just you in my memory. Every wrinkle, every tear, every laugh still lives inside those faded photographs. I remember that dance at the county fair. You wore my jacket, wind in your hair. Talked about forever, thought we'd see it through, but life had plans we never knew. I took that job, you stayed behind. Love got lost somewhere down the line. And now when I see your face in those frames, it's like a whisper calling my name. Faded photographs holding what we have, moments we can't get back, good or bad. We were wild, young and free, now it's just you in my memory. Every wrinkle, every tear, every laugh still lives inside those faded photographs. There's one of us by the old church gate, sunset glowing, running late. If I could step inside that scene, I'd tell that boy what love would mean.